you're doing it wrong. Well, not wrong, you're just not doing it right. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clean your plugs the correct way to make them last longer and save you money. Check these plugs out. They are filthy as, yeah, you guessed it. Right, so before we get on to showing you the correct method, let's talk about some of the other methods you can find on the internet and YouTube. Now, I've seen people use WD-40, sandpaper, soaking them in different chemicals, and even trying to burn some of the carbon off. Now, some of those methods work, yes, but not as good as the method I'm going to show you. But there is one other method that does work well. Good old wire brush and some brake cleaner. Now, we're going to do a bit of comparison. I'm going to do one plug with the wire brush and brake cleaner and the other with my method, and you can tell me at the end which one comes out cleaner. Right, now you can see I've filled it up with a bit of brake cleaner. We're going to let that soak for a few minutes, and then we'll take the wire brush and give it a good old scrub. It's been a few minutes now. Let's grab the wire brush and see if we can make this clean. Okay, so it's taking most of the carbon off, but you can see it doesn't quite get down to the bottom. So that is the only downside with using the wire brush. Right, so we've wire brushed this, give it a bit of a brake cleaner out, wipe it down, and let's see the result. Right, yes, so that's come out quite clean, but like I said a little earlier, it doesn't quite get down into those grooves or into the recess there where the electrode is. So it is clean, but it's not as clean as it can be. Time to move on to my method. Great guys, so it's time to show you the tool. This is what I've been dying to show you. It's a pneumatic sandblasting spark plug cleaning kit. You can pick one of these up on eBay. They're only 20 quid. It'll take you less than 5 seconds, one setup to clean your spark plugs, and I can near enough guarantee you there's nothing out there that'll clean it better than this. Let's set it up, do a test, and you can tell me. Right, so super simple. All you need to do is shove a plug in the top, like so, and hit the button. Right guys, so that one's done. Didn't take very long at all. The results are pretty good. Let's stick them together, and you guys can decide for yourself which you think is the better method. Okay, so guys, two plugs together. The one on the right is the wire brush, and obviously the left is sandblasted. You can see quite a big difference in color. Still quite stained, although the wire brush did take most of the carbon deposit off. It is still quite dark, whereas the sandblasted one looks almost brand new. It's managed to get right down into the grooves to clean it nicely, and the wire brush didn't do that. So I think we have a clear winner. I'd love for you guys to drop a comment below. You tell me which you think is the better method. Yeah, and well, I think the results speak for themselves. Right, so that's the end of the video. This method is going to definitely make your plugs last longer and save you money. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.